Hi, welcome back to my channel. Let's check the reading for Aries for June 2025 for relationships in the past, present, and future. Uh, Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video if you like it. And let's check for Aries. Hermit, a sense of isolation as far as relationships go. A transformation. This is a card of renewal, death, a card of transformation, a card of change, probably an end to something as far as relationships go. Three of cups. So, looking forward to the transformation, looking forward to the change, celebrating the inner work you've been doing on yourself. And Seven of Pentacles in the present. Seven of Pentacles indicates that there's a certain kind of stagnancy in the present, a certain kind of stagnancy in the present. Two of Pentacles, a soul connection with someone. Maybe something has come to an end as death shows, and there's a sense of isolation, even as you're looking towards a brighter future. And this was a deep connection that has come to an end, as the Two of Cups shows. The Three of Wands is card of exploration, looking at newer options. And let's see. Nine of Wands in the future, a need to be able to trust, a need to be able to trust. Queen of Cups, a deep emotional connection to this person. So what has ended has not been very easy on you, but it's not that difficult also, because you haven't got the Three of Swords and Five of Pentacles, a period of loss. So let's analyze these cards. You have the Hermit, you have Death, and you have Three of Cups. So there's a sense of isolation, like I said. There is definitely a transformation, maybe an inner transformation or a transformation in the relationship. And there is definitely a looking forward to this change. Maybe it could be in the same relationship, or it could be a new relationship. It's a card of a new beginning in the same relationship mostly. And then in the present, you have the Seven of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the Three of Wands. So there is a need to explore options, and this person is definitely committed to you in a way, feels very deeply about you. But there's a sense of stagnancy. So, yeah, looking forward, if you can explore greater options with this person only, if you can make a connect and explore new ways of spending time, maybe there might be a little bit of commitment phobia over here, as the Nine of Wands shows. As the Queen of Cups shows, this is a deep soul connection, a deep emotional connection. And the Five of Pentacles shows there's a sense of loss. So, yeah. So, the thing is that let's see what the outcome will be. Four of Wands. So, a time of communion, a time of union, a time of celebration. So, looking forward, there will be a deeper commitment to this person. So, yeah. Now, let's check for career for Aries. Let's check for career for Aries. King of Wands in the present. Four of Pentacles, so a little bit of stagnancy in finances, lull in finances, and the Page of Wands, card of creativity. The Eight of Pentacles, a period of working hard at something. The Ten of Wands, a period of hitting against a wall, maybe going through a spiritual experience, soul searching, connecting with the divine, and kind of not being able to focus on the practical aspects of life. The Nine of Swords, a period of stress in the present as far as career is concerned. The Six of Swords in the future, moving on to more peaceful territory. Queen of Pentacles in the future, so the future looks good despite the troublesome present times. The future looks good. The King of Cups, a great deal of enthusiasm and looking ahead in the future. So let's analyze the cards. You have Page of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and King of Swords. So a little bit of sternness in the past, a lull in finances, a period of stagnancy, which is being repeated in the present cards of Ten of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, and Nine of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and Ten of Wands. So the thing is that there is, looking ahead, there may be a little obstacle that will be created in your career or in your projects or your job or your business. But looking forward in the future, things look bright. So the Six of Swords looks towards the Queen of Pentacles, and the King of Cups is looking ahead. So there'll be a great deal of enthusiasm coming ahead in the future in this month of June as far as career is concerned. Let's check the outcome card. You have the Hermit, so a period of isolation, soul searching, looking for that inner inspiration. You know, for those looking for inspiration, just spending time alone in silence and kind of looking for options may help in getting that kind of enthusiasm and vigor in your career or your job. It has the Eight of Swords in the shadow, so a little stressful time with the Magician, harmonizing of elements, and the Ace of Swords. So need to be practical. If you want to contact me for a personalized reading, you can get the details from my description box. Thank you very much. It's always a pleasure reading for you, Aries. I hope you had a good reading. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.